Medical insurance billing is a stable and lucrative field within the medical industry. The business office of every healthcare provider must provide proper documentation to insurance companies for reimbursement for services. Opportunities for employment of insurance billers include physicians' offices, clinics, hospitals, and medical supply companies. The demand is driven by the growing need for healthcare services of an aging population, as well as the need for individuals able to handle the complexities of paper and electronic information. The Medical Insurance Billing Certificate Program at California State University, Dominguez Hills, is an 8-course instructor-led live online program designed to provide students with comprehensive training in medical insurance billing. Students will gain practical knowledge to enhance their understanding of medical insurance billing practices, as well as learn skills required to operate efficiently in today's medical offices, hospitals, and clinics. Each course will provide building blocks for those who are new to the field, as well as for those who are seeking to augment and improve their skills. Topics covered in the program include insurance and third-party payers, office and insurance problem solving, regulatory requirements, HIPAA compliance and ethics, inpatient, outpatient facility billing, medical terminology, ICD-10 diagnosis coding, CPT, procedure coding, medical insurance computer billing, and applied billing techniques. Upon successful completion of the 8 required courses, a certificate is awarded. Those who do not wish to pursue a certificate may take individual courses. There is no admission process or prerequisites needed to begin the program, and no prior medical experience is necessary. For further information and to register, please visit our website at csudh.edu/ccpe/medical-insurance-billing.